Alright, so the time has finally come. Time to build my new gaming system. It's been a long time coming, a lot of saving, but it is finally here. We're gonna finally be able to build this beast of a computer. As you can see, I got all the fucking parts. The only thing I did not get is the video card. And the reason why is if I get a 2080 Ti now, wouldn't make sense. I'd rather wait for the Amperes, the new ones coming out, which will probably be the 3080 Ti's, if that's what they're going to call them. Or they can just call them the Amperes. But I'm going to wait for those. Still got my 980 Ti. I'm only playing Overwatch really, and that game is optimized well, so I'll be able to play that no problem on my 980 Ti. And as soon as the Amperes come out, I'll buy that. I'm thinking of buying a 2080 Ti, depending, like maybe if mid-month, if I have extra money, I might buy it, depending on the release date of the Ampere video cards. So it's a possibility I might buy it. But anyway, yeah, this thing is gonna be a beast. Let's go over all the pieces here. So we got a Corsair right here. Oops, there's my M.2. Got a Corsair right here. Power supply, A50X. This ran me about, I think, $70. Yeah, $70. We got an M.2 970 Evo. Not the traditional old hard drives. This is an M.2. This little thing here is a hard drive. You stick it in. No discs. No discs with needles. No spinning. Loads hella fast. This was $169. Okay. Got my CPU cooler right here. Check this out. This is the Flow DX360. This is the premium edition. It's the premium edition right there, bruh. This is the one with I like RGB lighting, and I want to get the best RGB lighting. And this has the best, with the colors and all that kind of stuff. Like, they really, come out. The older fans have the same thing, but they're not, color all inside there. They don't look as crazy. And it's more expensive. So, this cooler ran me $260. And the cooler, the other one, the older version, you can get that one for $171. But I don't care. Like I said, I want the best shit. Here goes your RAM here. Got two of these. One over there. One here. Get you Trident Z RGB G-Skill. I love these RAMs. These are also RGB. They light up. It comes with two in a pack, which are both 8 gigabytes. So in total, there's 2 in here. This is 16, and I got another one. So I got 32 gigs of RAM, which you don't really need for gaming, but for doing other things, like when I do music programs and all that stuff, 32 gigabytes of RAM is gonna be sick. So we got that. And we got the processor here. One of the biggest things out of this whole thing. This nice, amazing box that is just sick. I love the packaging of this because, this is kind of a big deal. It's the 99 Core i9 9900K. This is a chip. This is a processor. For motherfuckers that don't know. And this thing cost me $500 just for a chip. This is a little tiny chip. See it inside there? This is a $500 chip processor. Amazing. We got Windows 10 here. This is Windows 10. Nowadays, they have Windows 10 where you can use as a USB. No more discs. None of that annoying ass bullshit with DVDs and all that. Just take the fucking flash drive out, plug it into the back, boot it up through to the flash drive, and it's gonna install. No problem. And this was $100. Yep, $100 for that. Then we got the Aros Master Z390 Aros Master motherboard. This is one of the top of the line motherboards here for overclocking and whatnot. You know, I wasn't going to get no lower end board. I'm going all out, getting a good motherboard. Got it from Newegg. What I don't like is this. I really don't like this damage here. I like having my boxes in good shape when I get them. I don't like that. I'm going to fucking tell Newegg if they have any extra boxes lying around just from display or something to send me one, because I'm just anal like that. I like to keep all my boxes. I like to have them in good shape. And this motherboard was $300. And we got the RGB fans, because you need fans to cool your PC. You have to have fans to cool your PC. And they're all RGB. Okay, so they come 3 in a pack. This Pure Plus here, I think they're like $59 a pack. And they're 120 millimeter fans. And this cost me $59. And then you have another 12. So it's a total of 6. I'm going to have a lot of fans in my computer. Another $59. And then you have Pure Plus RGB fans that are 140 millimeter. Come 3 in a pack. This was $71. And finally, you have this amazing case that I always wanted to get. You have the Thermaltake View 71. This case is sick. It's a full tower. Not no mid tower. I don't get no mid tower, no regular tower. You get a full tower. That's how we do it, man. Bam. That's how my shit's gonna look. Not like this. This is a water cooled loop. I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna do regular shit like this. But yeah, this case ran me. Was on sale for $200. I mean, I think it used to be $300. I think the price has gone down. But anyway, it's really sick. These two screws, it's like this. It's glass all around. All the panels come off, so you could see through it very easily. And the side panels, you can unscrew this one and unscrew that one, and then you can swing the door open easily, and you can even take the door off. So yeah, super excited. Got all the pieces ready to go. Here's my old computer. It's also a gaming PC. Let's see if you can see it. There's a little light in there. It's old, you know, so time to upgrade. But it's still, you know, decent PC, man. You know, it's not that bad. You know, my 980 Ti is in there. I'm going to have to take it out and put it in here. And then I'm going to put my 750, my GTX 750 in there. I'm not even going to game on that anymore. I'm going to be gaming on this. And I'm going to just use this for like web surfing or whatever. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to build it. And then after I'm done building it, make a video of how it turns out. And that's it. See you then.